Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Colors name: yellow color, light green color, brown color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color, dark blue color, green color, black color, purple color, sea green color, light pink color, red color. तो चलिए बच्चों, हम लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं. ग्रीन कलर 1, ग्रीन कलर 1, ब्लैक कलर 2, ब्लैक कलर 2, पिंक कलर 3, पिंक कलर 3, लाइट पिंक कलर 4, light pink color 4, yellow color 5, yellow color 5, blue color 6, blue color 6, red color 7, red color 7, light green color number 8, light green color 8, purple color 9, orange color 10, orange color 10, black color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, star, square. Triangle, circle, heart, star, square. Sea green color, triangle, triangle, sky blue color, circle, circle, brown color, heart, brown color, heart, pink color, star, pink color, star, yellow color, square, yellow color, square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Triangle, circle, heart, star, square.